Job number J-2025-2087-2. We're accessing the drain system through a 3-inch PVC cleanout tee located on a stack behind one of the basement furnaces. Our counter's at 131 feet. We are out in the sewer lateral in the front yard. Not all the way to the city sewer, but this is as far as we can push the camera due to friction on the push rod of the fiber optic camera. We don't have any water currently running, so we're just observing the pipe as is without water flow. Change in direction at 128 feet. Looks like a 45, maybe a 90. Another change in direction at 126. Nice steady pitch so far, no visible water ponding. Just a little bit of toilet paper solids stuck to a joint here at 91. Another change in direction at 88 feet. Just a minor offset, looks like maybe a 22-degree change. Change in PVC material from green to white at 67. We're approaching the house. Likely passing underneath the footing of the home. You see a 4-inch Y on its back. A lot of food waste buildup present in there. This is the stack that's carrying the first floor kitchen and bathrooms and laundry bar sink and utility sink. There's a lot of food waste residue building up. Hard to say for certain, but on the top at probably about 12 to 1 o'clock position on the camera, it's likely that that's just a piece of exposed plastic amongst the food waste, but another possibility is if there is a fracture there, that might be a rock showing through. But again, we would have to clean that out better to determine if that has any concerns at this point. But that is right at our entry point into the basement. Possibly nothing, possibly something. Entering from the right, this is for a floor drain that's right by that main cleanout, located in the mechanical space with the softener or water treatment system. And then another Y joining in from the left. This is coming from the basement bathroom where the bedroom suite is on the east end of the house. 45-degree change in direction. Y joining in from the right, possibly going to a tom cap cover on the concrete floor. Possible drain that was ran but never utilized. Uncertain what this is serving currently. Another 45-degree change in direction. Now we're running parallel with the foundation wall and with the mechanical access that's behind the basement kitchen area. A Y joining in from the left. This is for the basement kitchen. Approaching another Y. Of note, we can see right here is just some minor water moving through, even though there's no water currently flowing. And as we pass back through this Y, we can see standing water sitting in this fitting. It's drained out right now. Prior to when we first entered, this had a persistent water sitting in it. I'm going to push pause and add some water to the drain. So now we pushed pause for a moment, ran some water at the basement bathroom sink, located on the west side of the house. We see the water level rising slightly there. We push through the Y. We can see it dives down to just a trickle. We're going to push pause now and see if the pool remains. You can see now as we pass back through the Y, there's water sitting in the Y, even though this should be upstream of the run of the Y as it currently flows. Pushing pause for a moment. Now we see some water buildup at this Y. We've flushed the toilet in the master bath several times with a few toilet paper balls. So now as we can see the toilet paper ball, one of them is settling out in this Y, causing a buildup of water behind it. And then if we push by this particular one, we see some water pooling beyond that too, and another toilet paper ball sitting just downstream in the drain. So this is a dynamic that is occurring with the pipe and the angle that it currently is installed at. So we see some solids building up already with just a couple test flushes. And then as we pass back from that Y at around 29 feet, we can see the water just sitting around because of that toilet paper blockage. Continuing to pass back, approaching the base of the stack here. We see another Y off joining in from the right side. This is for a floor drain that's located in this closet for the furnace room, which is also where the stack is located. Change in direction looks to be a 90-degree turn. We're running parallel with the foundation wall that is the back part of this mechanical closet. Going up a 90-degree angle on the vertical stack. We even see some toilet paper solids sitting right there at the base of the stack. Some toilet paper solids is hanging up on the camera. There's an offset in the stack, 45-degree offset. Access through our 3-inch PVC cleanout located behind a furnace in the furnace room closet